my dear students. I, Miss Munazza Sayyed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you English subject of grade 2. So children, in our last period we have learnt a beautiful poem, which was that Fuzzy Wuzzy Creepy Crawly. Okay, and in that I have given you the homework to color that beautiful butterfly. Have you all colored? Wow, good. So today we are going to have some writing part. Okay. In term 1 children, how we have solved the check post 1 means of term 1. Like all the questions are merged, the grammar part, and we are solving that. Okay. So in this period, today we are going to solve check post 2 means of the term 2. So we have to open our textbooks. Page number will be 20. Open page number 20, check post 2. Remove your pencils, 2 children. Remove your pencils, erasers, scale. Removed. Page number 20 of English section. Have you all removed? Good. Now see, we have the A point here. Match the words in column A with the words that mean the same in column B. Means here are the words which meanings are same with these words. So we have to match the words of column A to the words of column B. Okay? Ready everyone? Check your pencils in hand, but pay attention to the board first. Understand, then you can write. I'll give you the time. Now first one is unwell. Here are some words. We'll read that and you have to tell me which one is the correct. Unwell means what? Leaping, animal, sleep, confused, sick, biscuits, exciting or soft. Which one is the correct answer? What do we mean by unwell? First of all, tell me. Well means what? Fine. Okay. Unwell means we are not feeling well. We are telling na, teacher, I was not feeling well yesterday, so I have not come to school. Yes? आप बोलते हो ना हमेशा? So, means आप बीमार थे. You were sick. See, here we have the answer, S-I-C-K, sick. So, what we have to do now? We have to match that. So, first, do one thing children, give a small dots one below each. First of all, give small dots one below each. Now take your scale in hand, unwell, match to E. It's easy na children? Yes. And at the same time, how we are writing the answers? First one's answer is E. Give a comma. Unwell meaning sick. Fuzzy. Fuzzy means what? We are having the words here. Leaping, animal, sleep, confused, biscuit, exciting or soft. Soft. Very good. Fuzzy meaning soft. So this we have to match here to H. And we have to write here second one's answer is H and we have to give a comma. Done children? Okay. Third one is interesting. We will read the words again. Interesting means leaping, animals, sleep, confused, biscuits, exciting. Interesting meaning biscuits. No, then exciting. Good. So we have to match this interesting to G, right? And we have to write the answer here. Third one's answer is G, and we have to give a comma. Fourth one is cookies. Cookies meaning leap, animal, sleep, confused, or biscuits. Biscuits. Good children, you are doing well. Cookies meaning biscuits means fourth one's answer is F1 and give a comma. Fifth one is springing. Springing meaning leaping, animal, sleep, confused. What? Leaping. Good. Match this to A. Fifth one's answer is A. Give a comma. Sixth one is NAP, nap. Nap meaning was, we have learnt in lesson number 2. The baby and the mother was taking a nap. Nap means what? A short sleep during a day. So here is the answer, sleep. Nap meaning sleep. So we have to match this naps 1 to C. Sixth one dash C. Wait a minute, children. Yes. Sixth one's answer is nap meaning sleep. Sixth one C answer and give a comma. Seventh one puzzled. We have learned this puzzled meaning in our lesson number 1. When Kira came out of the cocoon, Kunal was puzzled. Puzzled? What do we mean by puzzled? See, we have only 2 words remaining, animal or confused. Confused. Good. So, puzzled meaning is confused. Means seventh one's answer is D. And we should give a comma here because we have one more word here. Creature meaning animal, because that is only left now and we know the meaning too. Okay. So, 8th one answer is B. Shall I give you a comma or a full stop, children? Full stop. Good. Because we have completed with all of them. Fine. Over. Or still you are matching? Match it correct and write the answers also properly, children. Because you can see as I have matched here, we are getting puzzled here. What we are getting here? Puzzled means confused. कौन सी वाली line कहाँ जा रही है? Okay. So what we have to do for our reference and it will be easy for us. So we have written the answers here. Okay. Write that answers also and match that correct. Okay, children. Now below that B point you can see, write the opposites of these words. What we have to do? We have to write the opposites of these words. means which are on the board. First one is H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. heavy मतलब क्या? वजन, वजनदार एकदम. heavy opposite L-I-G-H-T, light means हल्का. L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. heavy opposite light. Repeat after me. heavy opposite light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Second one is give. G-I-V-E, give. Now give opposite take. Very good. T-A-K-E, take. give opposite take. Third one is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. beautiful's opposite ugly. ugly spelling U-G-L-Y, ugly. U-G-L-Y, ugly. Fourth one, D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult. difficult's opposite easy. Very good. easy spelling E-A-S-Y, easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. Fifth one, D-R-Y, dry. D-R-Y, dry. dry opposite dry meaning सूखा हुआ. okay. dry is opposite W-E-T, wet. good. wet meaning गीला होना, means we are covered with water. okay. dry opposite W-E-T, wet. next is H-U-G-E, huge. H-U-G-E, huge. huge means big. okay. so indirectly huge opposite will be small. good. and we have one more opposite for this, tiny. okay. so we will write both of them. S-M-A-L-L, small is the one opposite of huge, and one more opposite is, so I am giving comma, is T-I-N-Y, tiny. small is also correct, tiny is also correct. okay. Seventh one is high. H-I-G-H, high. high opposite low. good. low spelling L-O-W, low. Eighth one is बेचना. The storekeeper is selling the things. मतलब storekeeper बेच रहा है चीजों को. And we are dash from the storekeeper. What will come? We are buying. B-U-Y. Buy means what? खरीदना. Sell means बेचना. B-U-Y buy means खरीदना. B-U-Y buy. Completed, children? Or still you want more time to write? Okay, few more minutes I'll give you, and I will repeat the opposite words simultaneously. First one, heavy. Heavy opposite light. Heavy मतलब क्या? वजनदार. Light means हल्का फुल्का. Okay. Heavy opposite light. Light spelling L-I-G-H-T. Light. Second one is give. G-I-V-E. Give. Give means what? देना. Then opposite of give is take. Take यानी लेना. T-A-K-E. Take. Third one is beautiful. Beautiful is opposite ugly. U-G-L-Y. Ugly. Fourth one, difficult. Difficult means hard to do something. Difficult opposite easy. E-A-S-Y. Easy. Fifth one, dry. D-R-Y. D-R-Y, dry. Dry opposite W-E-T, wet. Wet means what? Fully covered with water. भीगा हुआ. Okay? Sixth one, huge. H-U-G-E, huge. Huge means big. Opposite of huge is small or tiny. Both we can use. S-M-A-L-L, small, or T-I-N-Y, tiny. Seventh one, H-I-G-H, high. Seventh one meaning is H-I-G-H, high. High opposite L-O-W, low. And the last one is S-E-L-L, sell. Sell means बेचना. Sell opposite B-U-Y, buy. Buy means what? खरीदना. Okay? Completed? A and B point? Okay. Now I will erase that and we will start solving the C point. Okay? Now we have to solve this C point. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the brackets. Now here we have the words in pink color. We have to complete those sentences by using those words. Okay? First one is dash need to get my dash checked by the doctor. We have two options here. I. Listen carefully, children. I. Now What we can tell them? Homophones. Homophones means what? Same sound, but the spelling and the meaning will be different. Now you can see here, EYEI and I letter means I, myself. Both sound same, but the spelling is different. This I is different and this I is different. So we call these type of words homophones. Means the meaning will be different, the spelling will be different, but the sound of both the words will be same. Okay. So what word, which word we can use here? I need to get my. Now which I will come? EYEI or the letter I? I need. I can talk. No, it wants to check. No, I will come. Letter I. I need to get my dash checked by the doctor. By the doctor, I have to get checked my eye. I need to get my eye checked by the doctor. Next, second one is, let me get some dash. Let me get some dash to make chapatis. Now, she want to make chapatis. So she is asking for something. Okay. Let me get some dash to make chapatis. What we need to make chapatis, the most important thing. FLOWER flour or FLOUR flour. What will come? FLOWER flour or FLOUR flour. This flour means roses and all, but this flour means a powder of wheat, atta. Okay. So we will be needing a flour or this flour to make chapatis. FLOUR, flour. Good. FLOUR, flour. But this flour and this flour sounds same. So what we can call them? Homophones. Good. Third one is, a dash boy has joined the music class. And we have two words here. NEW, new means naya. KNEW, new means पहले से पता होना. Means KNOW, know means पता रहना. I know that. मुझे पता है वो. KNEW means already you were knowing that. मुझे पहले से पता है. Okay. So what will come here, children? A dash boy has joined the music class. NEW will come or KNEW will come? Correct. NEW. NEW. A new boy has joined the music class. Now, fourth one is, do you dash the answer to this question? And here we have two words, NO, no, or KNOW, no. Now this NO means straight away no, nahi. And KNOW, no means pata rehna. Okay, what will come then? KNOW. KNOW. Fifth one is, many kinds of flowers grow in dash garden. Now, here we have two words, R or R. HOUR means 60 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, we are telling no. And here OUR means hamara. Okay. So what will come? Many kinds of flowers grow in our garden. And the last one is, have you read the story about the tortoise and the dash? And here we have the two options, hare or hare. H-A-R-E, hare is different. H-A-I-R, hare is different. This hare you all know, and this H-A-R-E, hare is different. Both sound same, but the meaning is different. So which hare will come there? H-A-R-E. Good. H-A-R-E. Yes. Completed, children? Okay. Now we will go on our next page. I'll erase this. Now here we have our D point is make sentences with these words. What we have to do? We have to make sentences with these words. See now, here we have first one point, follow. First one word we have here, follow. F-O-L-L-O-W. Follow. How we can use it, follow word in sentence? Any sentence we can make, but we will write follow the safety rules. F-O-L-L-O-W. Follow. T-H-E, the. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. R-U-L-E-S. Rules. Follow the safety rules. And we should follow the safety rules, children, while crossing the road, or if you will be with someone, they all should follow the safety rules because it's good for all of us. Over. Second, friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. Now what we can write about friendly? He is a friendly boy. She is a friendly girl. Yes? We can write anything. So here we will write Sandeep is a friendly boy. What we will write? Instead of he is a good boy, we will take a name of a boy. Okay? So what we will write? S-A-N-D-E-E-P. Sandeep is a F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. B-O-Y. Boy. Next, puzzled. Puzzled meaning, tell me children, first of all, means confused, right? So we will write here, Shiva is puzzled by the question. Means Shiva is getting confused by the particular question. So what we will write? Shiva is puzzled by the question. Shiva is P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D, puzzled by the question. Okay? And the fourth one will be a homework for you. Only fourth one, children? So right here, HW. So children, as I said you, fourth one will be a homework for you. Whispered. I'll explain the meaning. Whispered meaning talking slowly that no one else listen that. Okay? Slowly बात करना. I will tell you the example also. Rohan whispered something in Kavya's ear. Okay? Fine. Now children, even we will solve. Tick the correct word to complete these sentences. First we will read whole sentence, then we will tick the correct answer. First one, every student wears the uniform and or but carries a school bag. Now what will come? And means or, means with this they are doing this. But means they are doing this, not for this. Every student wears a uniform to the school, correct? And they carries a school bag. Uniform के साथ साथ वो क्या करते हैं? They are carrying their school bag. Second one, that is my or mine place, right beside your or your seat. That is my place beside, right beside your seat. My place right beside your seat. Now third one is, will your sisters or sister's skirt fit you? Now this sisters meaning children more than one sister. Okay, 2-4 sisters होंगे यहाँ पे. This apostrophe s, sisters, means this skirt belongs to the sister. Understood? Will your sister's skirt fit you? So what will come? This apostrophe s1's sister will come. Okay? This sisters means एक से ज़्यादा बहन है. But this apostrophe s sister is something different. Means that skirt belongs to the sister. Fourth one is, the dress I see or saw last week in the shop has been sold. The dress I see or saw last week in the shop has been sold. Now last week she saw the dress. See, SWC is different. SAW saw means उसने देखा है already. So what will come? SAW saw. Fifth one is, I thought today is a holiday and or but the school is open. What will come? I thought today is a holiday. But, yes, पर, but का क्या मीनिंग होता है? पर स्कूल ओपन है, मीन्स but the school is open. Sixth one is, this comic book is Rohit's birthday gift. Will you think this Rohit's is the correct one? No, because this apostrophe s means this comic book of a birthday, it belongs to whom? Rohit. So we have given here apostrophe s. This comic book is Rohit's birthday gift. Completed, children? Okay. Now below that we have a project. Color the given picture below. What is the picture about? Yes? About a scenery. There are mountains, sun, some trees, bushes, everything. And you have to color this. This will be your homework, and the last sentence of make sentences. Whispered and this picture you have to color, it will be a HW for you. So in this way children, we have completed the check post 2 of this term 1, and I have given you the homework of color the picture and use the whispered word in a sentence. You have to complete that. Okay? Thank you.